Spinbot.com. It's a website gets used to rephrase or paraphrase a piece of text. Spinbot not just replace words from original paragraph with its synonyms like others. Instead, it converts one word to a paraphrased text, make a copied text looks professional. Here is an example to show you how it works. As I told earlier, it's not just a word replacement tool. Here you can choose whether to avoid capitalized words or not from spinning. This website has another option to keep words which you don't want to get replaced or changed. Simply type in a box under Ignore Words feature. The provided will not get changed, as I did in the example above to show you how to use one of those options. Through this example I tried to illustrate the difference between word replacement and rephrasing a piece text. I used the word repertory for example, which you can clearly find in both above and bottom box to further confirm if this feature does work or not. Paste the right text in the clipboard and set the options as you want, and hit the arrow. After a quick puzzle game you will have plagiarism-free article, ready to use from a website to school assignment. Some simple alterations could get you a professional level article. Here I tried to highlight the increase in word count to the fact spinbot.com paraphrase a whole sentence to make sense out of that line. More features will be discussed in upcoming videos, so stay tuned.